Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to color your fondant. There are different types of coloring ways. We can use gel colors, paste colors, liquid colors and powder colors. I use gel colors because it's more concentrated and it does not change the texture of my fondant. Liquid colors make your fondant very sticky. Just in case you have no choice but to use your liquid colors, make sure you use more of corn flour so that you get a nice, soft, non-sticky fondant. Let's start coloring our fondant using gel colors. Sprinkle some corn flour on your workstation and your hands. This will prevent the fondant from sticking. Now prepare your fondant by kneading it into a soft ball. This is pink gel color. Dab some gel color on the fondant like this. Using your fingertips, we do a pull and fold method. If it gets sticky, dab some corn flour. For marble effect, you can stop here. If you want a darker shade of fondant, you could add more of gel color. Another way of coloring your fondant is by mixing two fondants together. Like black fondant, when mixed with white fondant, would give you grey color. If you want a lighter shade of any color of your fondant, just add white fondant to it. For dark colors of fondant like red, brown and black, I prefer to buy store-bought colored fondant. Let's play with vibrant colors of fondant and create magic on cakes. I am Rasna. Keep watching this space for more info and tips.